download. Yeah, this time I'm going to show you version 0.3, and what's actually news is only, yeah, I mean it's not only, but I mean it's one step forward, and yeah, it's 64 bits. That's all. So you can basically turn off if you want right now. If you don't know what this is about, I will show you. So just walk in here and www.YAIUU.com. Yep, here we go. And download. And here we go. We open up. And let's unzip this one to this one. And then, the usual da 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 da. So yeah, that's basically it. It looks like pretty much like how it did before, but as you can see, it's 64 bits now. And you can see this also as well if you open up the task manager. You see here, YAIUU version 0.3. It says nothing about 32 bits, but compared to the old one, check this one. You see, this one, it says nothing about 32 bits, but this one does. Yeah, and if you see in the task manager, this one is 32 bits and this one is actually 64. You see, it's a little bit more memory usage, but yeah, otherwise I think that's it. I know I'm also a little late to release this version, but it's because I had a little problem. I had a change server, and yeah, but now everything should be in order. So please enjoy, and I also want to thank everybody for testing the new version. I hope soon we will have something that will in turn something so we can use on internet as well, because right now we can only basically open HTML files and yeah, maybe this one as well. Yes, so as we say, don't even expect it to work. Anyway, thank you very much, and I hope you will be in touch soon again. Bye bye.